Hello everybody, I'm here to show you how to access Office 365 Teams and your email. So there's a couple ways to do this. The first one is, well, on your desktop. If you have the Microsoft Teams app, you can double click on that and open it up and access all of your classes through there. Or you can access the Office 365 portal app on your laptop as well. Sign in and it'll take you there. I'm going to show you from the Google Chrome web browser, so go ahead and open that up. And then we're going to type portal.office.com. And it's going to prompt you to sign in. So I've already saved my account on here, but you're going to log in with your student email or your student account. And you're going to enter in your password. So your student account is at thefresnou.org, and it should have some letters and stuff in front of it. You're going to click sign in, and yes, we would like to stay signed in. And then it's going to take you to the home page of like your recently used information. After you've gotten here, there's a couple ways to get to Office 365 Teams. So on the left here, there's tons of icons, and if you scroll your mouse over the icon, it'll tell you which is which. So here is your email, Outlook, and that's the blue one with the O. And here is Teams, that's the other blue one with the little humans with the T. So I'll show you Teams first. You're going to click on Teams, and once it loads, which it's taking a moment, thinking. Once it loads, you'll have access to all of your periods for all your classes. And you just simply click on the box that you're from whichever period you are going to attend for the day. And here you can see the posts for the period, the assignments, your grades for the period as well. You can also access grades on Atlas. And that's pretty much it in regards to accessing your period for your teams. In order to go back, you just click all teams, and there you're able to see all of your periods. Now mine all say science because, well, that's what I teach, science. Another way to access your meetings on Teams is to go to your calendar. And you'll be able to see in your calendar any scheduled meetings that you have, okay? I've scheduled some fake ones just so you could see what they would look like. And once you get to the meeting, once it's time, there'll be like a join button here for you, and that's in the calendar section of this. You can also access assignments here. Once you have assignments, there's really no assignments, so you don't know, there's nothing yet. All right, so how to access your email, you're going to click the waffle, and you're going to click on the Outlook app. And that's pretty much it. Here's your inbox. Okay. Here's your inbox. You select the message that you want to read. If you would like to send a teacher a message, you click the new message button right here on the left. And you type it too. It should just be your teacher's first and last name. So for me, I'm going to email myself. Okay. Subject is what you need. So like I need help with an assignment. And then hi Ms. K, comma, I need help with assignment number 3. I am confused about, and then you tell me what you're confused about, and then I will reach out to you as soon as possible, and then you click the send button. Make sure to sign out who you are. You're gonna click the send button, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching.